Today you will have an opportunity to visit the rare kind of cycle tour. We will show you the Dargah of Hussein Takri in Jaora. The devotees pray, relax and mingle in such a holy place that they make it a pilgrimage.
This is the place which I stayed. Yes, these are the staff, very cordial friends.
फिर आराम इलाज में कैसी साफ सफाई
नमस्कार।
कैसी गंदगी नहीं कहीं हो कहीं नहीं कैसे मैनेजमेंट करियो घनश्याम जी कहीं करियो कहीं नहीं अजय भैया को जैसे बना दिया है सोच के
Thank you.
पूरा इतिहास लिखेगा
Okay, thank you very much for everything.
मेरे हिसाब से इंटरव्यू लेगा अभी
Interview हो गया. Before saying goodbye, I need to take my breakfast, which is usual. Here got the tender coconut, and they are selling in a cheaper prices. It has got both water and pulp inside. At the place called Ratnam, which I am living for Jaora at the moment. Thank you. National Highway 148N, leading to Jaora, and it is about 22 kilometers from now. I have already crossed the countryside of Ratlam, which is filled with agricultural land and wild forest at the right, which is about 15 kilometers I have crossed. Now I will take you to Jaroa. From there I heard about this big mosque over there. Try to find out that place for you. Very good point to have some banana on the way to Jaora. Behind this place you would see a Om Namo Shivaya temple, a small local temple for a regular worship probably. And there are some roadside stalls. Opposite to me or the banana stall you will see a small market complex where they have restaurants, bar, agro product and for seeds, and also associated services in the cultivational field. Mahakal restaurant is a Laksha Kirana. Kirana is the grocery shop, and this is the road where I came from. And you can see school students are approaching to their school, and bike are waiting to cross the road, and I am now heading to Jaora. There was drizzling, so I decided to wear my raincoat. And there's a temple, you see. Then I saw beautiful white green chili garden. So this is the garden, see, so big, and it would be lovely to experience from the close dimension of the green chili plantation. Yeah, I'm here, very close to. Oh, no, this is not green chili. This is something else. You need to guess and tell me what plant it is. It is, of course, soya bean. This is Ramdev Ji Maharaj celebration happening. People gather here for this celebration, and would like to. This is a festival actually, something they call it Shravan starting. So there is a significance of this Khatu Sham Babaji, who has got the main temple in somewhere in Rajasthan. So I just got an opportunity to arrive here for a discussion, a chit chat, and then spiritual feelings. On arrival of the Jaora city, I am encountering temples and mandirs and puja sthal every 500 meter or 1000 meter. In a kilometer, maybe there will be more than 4 temples. Okay, this is the small town. I need to locate now accommodation for tomorrow. Tonight, yeah, to proceed tomorrow. Or maybe if there is some significant point, I will make it after my lunch or after rest for a while. The Sadhu Baba was selling some kind of thread to the people who are mixed with divinity, spiritual values, or medicinal values. They will cure some disease. Misfortune can be turned into fortunes. This is what the tradition believes. I am looking for a lodge in Jaora for the stay tonight so that I can continue for tomorrow. Here is a notice written दिखा जरूरी सूचना वक्त के रोजों के सहन परिसर में बैठकर ताबी छल्ले बनाना बावागिरी करना सख्त मना है. Rest be too long to describe. It's illegal to do kind of enchanting work according to the mosque authority. This is the surrounding of Baba Tikri. Okay. दान चढ़ावा राशि किसी के व्यक्ति के हाथ में ना दे, रोजों में रखी गुल्लक दान पत्र में अपना हाथ से डाले. That means Jaora, Nazrani, Peti, Bada Roja, whatever the donation you provide, it should go to the proper box, but it should not, it should not go to individuals. Okay. Straight. Yes. Imams are getting pictures. There are a lot of people waiting here, maybe for sort of opportunity for prayer or relaxing or spiritually taking bath, spiritual bath could be there. And some people are very, very comfortable. Most of them are peace-seeking or peace-minded. I can see it's a graveyard of some holy spirit or kind of prophet. There are 3 tombs and inscriptions are in Arabic. I do not understand, and I didn't find somebody who understands to explain me the significance of this dargah and the waqf board, as well as Hussain Tikri. Okay, I see a young man doing kind of parikrama, circulation, evolutionary move around the minaret. And the minaret also has an empty space and is preoccupied by ladies. I think this is reserved for the ladies. Okay, this is the place of the minaret. This is exit gate. I will take few seconds to Yeah. Make another round. It's maybe kind of prayer they're doing here, seeking peace. नहीं अच्छा 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 some people are crying and doing kind of prostrated evaluation around the graveyard, which is known as a temple, at the shrine, um, perhaps seeking blessing or redemption from the high spirit. Well, now you can see the market area and crowded place, less crowded. Maybe for some reason this is not the right time to visit, so people, there's no rush. There's a number of guest houses. It seems the hotel industry is growing a lot because of the facilities or because of the pilgrimage people make here in this place. It has most of the very budget accommodations and staying facilities. I'll be showing you another entrance. This shrine has 4 entrances, and every entrance is crowded with beggarly people. They seek some kind of help or blessings from higher authority, tranquil spirit, and people who are wealthy. Nothing is written in comprehensible language. It's in Urdu, but it's a beautiful replica of something monumental area such as Taj Mahal. Very, very beautiful Arabic structural procedure. Okay. Okay, this is outside. Again, you find in the market area. This closet is probably for the officials or staff to reside on. This is the exit gate here. You find a lot of hotel industries.
The next week we shall concentrate our cycling tour into Madhya Pradesh, followed by Rajasthan. Soon we shall cover Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and New Delhi. We are indeed grateful for your likes, comment and shares. Please subscribe the channel if you have not done so far. This is Sumit Rajak from Mumbai signing off.